Square. Square. Super cool. This monkey wants 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nectarine.
Great work.
Touch all the orange. Orange. Orange.
Way to go.
Pick a sticker.
Touch the fruit that starts with the letter P. Pineapple. Way to go. This monkey only wants the smallest fruit. Touch the smallest fruit.
Great job. Oh no, this monkey's kiwi broke into pieces. Can you put it back together?
Great work.
Pick a sticker. This monkey wants 2 of each kind of fruit. Can you match the fruit? Apple. Lime. Strawberry. 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 Apple. Apple.
Nectarine.
Lime. Lime. Lime.
Nectarine. Nectarine.
Great work.
Touch the fruit that starts with the letter A.
Kiwi. Great job.
This monkey wants 4. Cantaloupes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cantaloupes.
Great job. Pick a sticker. Touch all the red fruit. Red. 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 Great job.
This monkey only wants the smallest fruit. Touch the smallest fruit.
Great job. This monkey wants 2 of each kind of fruit. Can you match the fruit? Kiwi. Strawberry. Grape. Lemon. 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 Grape. Kiwi. Strawberry. Kiwi. 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 Grape. Grape. Strawberry. Strawberry.
Way to go.
Pick a sticker.
Touch the diamond. Diamond. Super cool.
Oh no, this monkey's banana broke into pieces. Can you put it back together? You did it! Touch all the purple. Purple. Purple.
Way to go.
Pick a sticker.
This monkey wants 1, 2, 3, 4. Nectarine.
Great job! Oh no, this monkey's plum broke into pieces. Can you put it back together?
Great work.
Touch the fruit that starts with the letter S. S.
Strawberry.
Way to go.
Pick a sticker.
This monkey only wants the smallest fruit. Touch the small.
This monkey wants 2 of each kind of fruit.
Lime.
Can you match the fruit? Lemon. Grape.
Watermelon.
Grape. Grape. Lemon. Lime. Lemon. Lemon. Lime. Lime.
Watermelon. Watermelon.
Great job.
Touch the square. Square.
Great job. Pick a sticker. Oh no, this monkey's orange broke into pieces. Can you put it back together? Great job.
This monkey only wants the biggest fruit. Touch the biggest fruit.
Great job. This monkey wants 2 of each kind of fruit. Can you match
Watermelon.
the fruit?
Pineapple.
Lemon.
Watermelon. 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 Raspberry.
Lemon.
Pineapple. Pineapple. Raspberry. Raspberry.
Lemon. Lemon.
Great work.
Pick a sticker.
This monkey wants 4 grapes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Grapes.
Great work.
Touch the circle. Super cool. Touch the fruit that starts H. Honeydew.
Great work.
Pick a sticker. Touch all the purple. Purple. Great job.
Touch the triangle. Triangle.
You did it. Touch all the green. Green. You did it. Pick a sticker. Oh no, this monkey's plum broke into pieces. Can you put it back together? You did it.
Touch the fruit that starts with R. Raspberry.
Great work.
This monkey wants 6 strawberries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 strawberries.
Super cool.
Pick a sticker.
This monkey only wants the smallest fruit. Touch the smallest fruit. Way to go.
This monkey wants 2 of each kind of fruit. Orange. You match the fruits.
Watermelon.
Cherry.
Honeydew. Honeydew. Watermelon. Watermelon.
Cherry. You did it.
This monkey only wants the biggest fruit. Touch the biggest fruit.
You did it. Pick a sticker. This monkey wants 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Pineapple.
You did it.
Touch the square. Way to go.
Oh no, this monkey's kiwi broke into pieces. Can you put it back together?
Great work.
Pick a sticker. Touch all the purple. Purple.
Super cool.
This monkey wants 2 of each kind of fruit. Can you match the orange? Banana.
Nectarine.
Orange. Banana.
Nectarine.
Kiwi. Orange. Great job.
Touch the fruit that starts with N. Nectarine. Super cool.
Pick a sticker. Oh no, this monkey's plum broke into pieces. Can you put it back together?
Great work.
Touch all the red fruit. Red.
Way to go. Touch the triangle. Triangle.
Way to go. Pick a sticker.
Touch the fruit that starts with the letter P. Pineapple. Way to go.
This monkey wants 3 apples. 1, 2, 3 apples.
Great work.
This monkey wants 2 of each kind
Watermelon.
of fruit. Can you match the fruit? Apple. Cherry.
Watermelon.
Apple. Cherry. Banana. Apple.
Way to go.
Pick a sticker.
This monkey only wants the biggest fruit. Touch the biggest fruit. Way to go. Touch the hexagon.
You did it. Oh no, this monkey's
Nectarine.
broke into pieces. Can you put it back together?
Great work.
Pick a sticker. Touch all the red fruit. Red.
Super cool.
This monkey wants 2 of each kind of fruit.
Lemon.
Can you match the fruit? Strawberry.
Watermelon.
Banana. Lemon. Banana.
Watermelon.
Lemon. Lemon. You did it.
This monkey only wants the biggest fruit.
Great job. Pick a sticker. This monkey wants 5.
Raspberry.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Raspberry.
Great job.
Touch the fruit that starts with the letter
R.
raspberry.
You did it. This monkey wants 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Victory!
Way to go!
Pick a sticker. Oh no, this monkey's strawberry broken to pieces. Can you put it back together? You did it!
This monkey only wants the smallest fruit. Touch the smallest fruit. Way to go!
Touch the fruit that starts with the letter C. C.
Cantaloupe.
Way to go!
Pick a sticker. This monkey wants 2 of each kind of fruit. Can you match the fruit? Kiwi, grape,
Raspberry,
cherry,
raspberry, raspberry.
grape, kiwi, kiwi, cherry, grape, cherry, kiwi, cherry, grape, cherry, 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 kiwi, grape, kiwi, grape, 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 kiwi, kiwi.
Way to go!
Touch the hexagon, hexagon.
Way to go!
Touch all the green fruit. Green, green, green.
Way to go!
Pick a sticker. Touch all the green fruit. Green, green, green.
You did it!
Touch the circle, circle.
You did it! This monkey only wants the biggest fruit. Touch the biggest fruit.
Great work.
Pick a sticker. This monkey wants 2 of each kind of fruit. Can you match the fruit? Kiwi. Plum, plum. Orange, orange. Apple, apple.
Super cool.
Oh no, this monkey's
Raspberry.
broken to pieces. Can you put it back together?
Super cool.
This monkey wants 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 apples.
Way to go!
Pick a sticker.